Hi, in today's recipe we'll see how to make apple juice. The ingredients required are 2 medium-sized apples, milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Measure 350 ml of milk and set aside. Peel and cut the apples into small pieces. To a mixer jar add apple, sugar and half of the measured milk. Blend everything until a smooth consistency. Pour in the rest of the milk and blend again. Check for any lumps and add extra milk if you feel the need to. You can strain the liquid if you feel so, and add ice cubes to serve cold. Enjoy the delicious cool summer drink. Thank you for watching.